Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get rare timber in Heartopia. So rare timber is a very important materials. In here you can use it to craft furniture, complete resident requests, and right now it also required for the prep phase of the upcoming Call of Wheels event. And to getting it, it's actually super easy. Just head to the 8 large trees scattered around the map, and here's the locations. Its locations at the its locations on here near the tranquil river, and then on here just near the river, and in here, and then on here. And for example, I already arrived at this trees, and once you arrive, just equip your axe like this, and then just interact with its tree by tapping it until it drops rare timber like this. Just tap on the X button like this. You can see you will get the rare timber on here. In here, make sure to visit all 8 trees so you can collect as much rare timber as possible. And then after harvesting, maybe its tree goes on the cooldown like this, so you can't farm it again immediately. And if I remember correctly, you can harvest the same tree again about once every hours. And also its tree can only be tapped 3 times before it entered its cooldown. And okay, that's it. That's how you can easily farm rare timber in Heartopia. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.